To fire up, and there it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. It's 2:45 p.m. here in the Arizona desert. This is the Bitcoin Daily View. Let's check out Tether into Bitcoin, 4.17 billion, not bad today. Tether into Ethereum, 2.14 billion, not bad at all. Let's look at the volume. Well, it is 2:46 p.m. here in the Arizona desert, and it looks like last 24 hours we have not broken over a billion in volume, but still we got close. So 941 million in volume, not bad at all. 522 million of that was on Binance. Nice to see Coinbase did break 100 million at 113 million. So Binance, what is longs versus shorts sentiment? Since that's where the volume is. Short 36%, long 63%. Not bad. Now the markets are closed, but let's see how they did. Dow Jones Industrial Average on the daily closed with a red candle. S&P 500 closed with a red candle. It also closed under the 200 moving average on the daily. That's not too positive at all. Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average one more time to see if it made it above or below. Yeah, below the 200 moving average. It's been there, but regardless, today it continues to be under the 200 moving average on the daily, and it's a red candle. Let's look at the Russell 2000 index. Okay, below the 200 moving average on the daily and a big old red candle. So America's big indexes did not do too outstanding today at all. Let's look at gold on the daily. Well, look at that. Got a beautiful green candle rocking. So I do believe this would be 5th of March, and it is right now the 5th of March. Okay, so today's candle so far is just rocking. So gold is looking great, well above the 200 moving average, and it certainly is rallying. I like seeing that. It's at 1670 today. Not bad at all. Let's look at silver. Silver, okay, it continues its trend above the 200 moving average today, and it is well above the 200 moving average now, and another green strong candle. So gold and silver definitely showing up for work today. Let's look at gold one more time. And yeah, directional index is beautifully green. So gold looking powerful. I think it's making a run today. Look at that. Gold and silver strong today, while Dow Jones, SPX, and RUT not looking so hot. China 50, their market is closed, but today, well, definitely had a bit of a wick on the upside. Sometimes wicks tend to tell you which way something wants to go, but regardless, market closed, China 50, but look at that strong green candle, and we do have a positive MACD. Sorry, I didn't note the MACDs for the RUT, SPX, and DGI. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll note the MACD. So China market strong. Let's look at Apple. Just wanted to mention on the 4-hour chart here, we did get below the 200 moving average recently. Bounced off the 314. We're moving up. So far, let's see. Let's do a daily candle here for Apple. Let's just see how the daily candle looked. So yeah, daily candle was red. So anyway, it doesn't mean a whole lot, but Apple closed, red candle. Regardless, it's still kind of making a bounce. So Apple recovering big picture, but today was definitely a red candle. All right, Bitcoin versus Tether, BTC, USDT on Binance on the daily. Well, look at that. Beautiful green candle so far today. We are above 9,000. We're at 9,900. I mean 9,099. Wow, are we going to see 9,100 while we're looking at this? I'll tell you what. MACD is still negative, but definitely looking towards positive. That histogram is closing towards the negative. Good to see. Directional index on the daily is still in the red, but I do note this beautiful trend line that we've been kind of following, up until recently when we got below it. But on a good note, we are above the 200 moving average now, a beautiful green candle. Bitcoin's definitely rallying a bit. Let's see if we can get back through the floor of this channel, the bottom of this channel here, this upwards channel. Let's see if we can break above that. I mean, if we did right around 93, 9400, it'd be nice to be back in this upwards channel as I see it. I not only have a bottom side to it, I guess I could put a top side too. Everybody wants to see it. There we go. Look at that. So I do see us kind of working a channel on the way up there. Hopefully we can get back in it and this channel holds. So regardless, looking good. MACD on the daily is turning towards positive. So like to see that on the 4-hour chart. And note, I didn't just draw this. This has been up for a couple days, or, well, one like it has been up for a couple days. Going way back here to the 2nd of January, where we first had a strong move above the 200 moving average to our recent high. If we look at this 4-hour chart, you can see that we have beautiful support and resistance and powerful buy sell volume here via the VPVR and a .5 fib line at 86.75. Well, we hung out there for a while, built some momentum, and we just pumped to the .382 fib line at 9106, and it looks like maybe we're going to find support there for a while. That'd be nice. Find some support there, get sideways a bit, then make a move towards that 200 moving average on the 4-hour, which is right around 9,500. Looking good, Bitcoin. It's nice to see gold and silver and Bitcoin are making strong moves, while the Russell 2000, Dow Jones, and Russell 2000, Dow Jones, and S&P are not so strong today. I'm liking seeing Bitcoin, kind of becoming its own man and making a move up while the markets are dumping. And of course, gold and silver are too. Good. Eventually, as the market dumps, eventually sound assets, sound money is going to find a bottom and pump. So it's moving. I like to see that. Bitcoin's going in the right direction. It makes me happy. Bitcoin versus Tether on Binance, 45-minute chart, very, very short price action, but as you can see, we hung out here on the 200 moving average for a while. These little pink squares are where we popped above the 200 moving average, so we were challenging the 200 moving average for a while. Now we've broken above it, and we are above the 314 moving average, which is this blue moving average here. Directional index is powerfully green. Looking at that, the ADX is right at around 46. This is a wonderful setup. Bitcoin is definitely making a rally. I like seeing that. And if you'd like to learn more about how I'm using the, let's see, way back, don't worry about it. If you want to see how I'm using these 200 moving averages and the 314 moving average and kind of how I put all this together, if you want to become a profitable trader, well, a possibly profitable trader, I guess I can't make that statement legally, but I would say, hey, look, I've been a member of Blockchain Education for over 2 years, and it's a great time. 24-hour chat, people who really are pros at trading, people who are learning like me, people who've gotten a tremendous amount better like I have. Really, this is a place to hang out with people who are dedicated to success, who care about your success, where we can all work together to learn and make, well, an incredibly profitable 2020. No matter whether it's bull season, bear season, Bitcoin's pumping, dumping, it's alt season or not, doesn't matter. There's always trades to get into that are making money. And with that said, there's a hybrid system here where you can get auto-entered or you can enter manually. Also, people there who are members are always finding good setups and sharing them. This is a great place to become a better trader. You can hang out, watch videos. Jonathan Regan does the videos, and he's a master trader, and it makes it fun, inspiring. Sit back for a couple hours, learn to be an amazing trader, put some charts together, and start collaborating with the crew. 2020 can be an incredibly profitable year. It's going to be, and I hope that you join Blockchain Education and you make it a profitable year for you too, and you come hang out. Also, I'm Cowboy Craig in the chat. I would love to see you there. Let's make money in 2020. With that said, obstacles can't stop you, weather can't stop you, heartbreak cannot stop you, failure can't stop you, only you can stop you. Keep hammering. This is a peaceful revolution. Bitcoin matters, and I will see you again tomorrow.